Dale! People of the world, what is going on? So I'm gonna go and clean off my car. The windshield is like filthy dirty. I'm just gonna take like honestly a wet paper towel and just run over it. What happened was when I was on my way to Scranton yesterday, you know, the trucks just like kick up all this dirt, and when you're going that far, when you're going like hundreds of miles in a day, you know, it's kind of like you're gonna get all these trucks just kicking up all dirt. And besides, the weather was bad too. It was raining and everything. So that's what we're gonna do now, and I'm gonna insert that here. Well, I'm in my car right now, if you're wondering, and the air is blasting on. It's hot out here. I mean, I know the cold front just went through, but man, it's hot out here. No lie, like it's really hot. What I'm gonna do, I talked to my dad actually today. His fever may have come back slightly. We're not completely sure. 99, 99.2, something like that. If it is a fever, you know, he might have to get tested for the regular flu, H1N1, and get retested for COVID for a third time. I'm gonna keep you updated on this. It's kind of a mystery. He's still getting really bad pain in his left shoulder too, so we're gonna figure this out. Alright people, so it is the next morning. It's only about 8. My mom and I are going to be moving. I never told you guys this. I have to start packing, obviously, some of my stuff, and that's what I'm going to be doing right now. My mom is at work right now, so obviously this is going to be tough with COVID going on right now, moving. We've had to face moving for a little bit now, so we're going to have to pack our stuff up, I mean, in a reasonable amount of time. And, yeah, so I got a few boxes here, and I'm going to start packing some of my stuff up. So I will insert that time lapse right here. So, I am in my car right now, as you can tell. I'm gonna be going to play some basketball today for a couple hours. It's actually a really nice day today. You know, it seems like we haven't had a really nice Sunday in a while, so I mean that's a change. So I will be filming some of my basketball moves, and I will put them in right here for you guys. Boom. Okay, guys, so I just got back from playing basketball now. So the rest of the day, I'm actually going to stop over my dad's, see what he's up to. I'm doing the trash. So he's getting over being sick, obviously. As you know, we were unsure if he had the coronavirus. Tested negative twice, and they don't want to test him again. Maybe we'll never know if he had it. He could have had it. Maybe he just had a different kind of virus. You know, who knows? But I will be actually back with him on Tuesday night, or on Tuesday in the day too. So I will get to see him again. And you know, I've been staying at my mom's for like over a week now because of his illness, trying to stay away, be quarantined. I have work tomorrow. Tomorrow's Monday. Back to work. Took a week off from work because of this too, so trying to get back to normal now. So, it is the next morning, a cloudy Monday morning. Basically, what's going on right now, we're feeling some of the effects of Tropical Storm Arthur. Tropical Storm Arthur is down in the Carolinas. It's skirting Cape Hatteras right now, so we're getting the clouds and may get some rain at the end of the week from the storm. As for Mitzi, she's just looking at the squirrels. That was loud. What are you doing? What are you doing? What? So basically, I have work today. So back to work after a week off. My dad has been improving. I'm actually back with him tomorrow night. And I'm starting to peel a little bit up there. You guys can't see it, but hey! Hey! Stop biting. Stop biting the boxes. Mitzi! Mitzi! Why are you biting the boxes again? Anyway, so yeah, starting to peel from my sunburn a little bit. I started to peel up on my head, but I think it's probably, I might not be able to see on camera. It's so light, like I barely am even peeling, but I'm not peeling any on my neck, so that's weird. But summer got the best of me. I'm using sunscreen from now on. I know I say this every time, but I'm serious this time. Just early morning and gonna be getting ready for work. Where is she? Mitzi. What? What is going on with you? What, Mitz? If you guys like this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the post notice, those post notifications to get notified every time I upload. And as always, be sure to follow my Instagram at MattDeAngelisMusic. And I will catch you guys on the flip side.